Hello and welcome to Start Left Security's platform demonstrations. I am part of Start Left's Security's AI team and will be walking you through a series of platform features and why they are important to your organization to have. The main feature of this video is SBOMs. SBOM stands for Software Bill of Materials. You can think of an SBOM as a detailed inventory of all of your components that make up a software application. Think of it more as a list of ingredients that tell you what you're shipping as part of your product. SBOM reports provide visibility into your product's components, letting you know what they are and where they came from. This will give you insights on how are they maintained and what is their risk level. For example, end of life and end of support information, in which the platform can alert and nudge product teams automatically to update instances of code rot or software decay with the right tool integrations. Companies are more focused on risk and understanding what they are deploying in their environments. An SBOM has become a standard way of being able to provide that information. And in some cases, it is required to provide that information. SBOMs show you what is in the application and allow you the ability to be able to share that information to a third party if needed. Let's dive right into our platform and see how our SBOM system works. Here we are looking at our product dashboard for a particular product, in this case called it Automation Platform is the name of the product. Very quickly jump into a SBOM view with this view report in the top right. Click that and it will bring you into a list of your dependencies for a particular application. In this case, you can see this product has a ton of dependencies. We identify the name of the dependency version, type of library or framework. The open source license, identifying license risk within your product. Here we define where that particular dependency came from, the source as far as which repository or which code repo, and then is there any known risk or known vulnerabilities associated right to those dependencies, along with the severity. All the information is here, aggregated for your product easily. You can sort of filter rule or searchable if you need to look for a particular dependency. The product aggregated is crucial as it creates a contextual inventory of all your products, the people associated, and the tools used on each product. This means Start Left can correlate the data and SBOMs from several code repositories associated with a product automatically and whenever code is changed. So when a zero-day vulnerability comes out, you can easily query the SLS system and find where each of those zero-day vulnerabilities lives across your entire product portfolio and immediately work with the product owners to manage that risk. When you need to generate a SBOM report, it's simple, just click this button. We offer you multiple options to extract or export the SBOM information. The two standard SBOM formats are CycloneDX and SPDX. Primary difference here. SPDX has been around a lot longer and was the initial SBOM concept or format. It's primarily focused around enumerating your software dependencies, their versions, and where they came from. That's really it. CycloneDX is sort of SPDX on steroids. It's much more extensible and covers a lot more use cases. You can identify a lot more than just your dependencies and the versions and where they were sourced. It contains vulnerability identification, what other components or services are in your application, and can even be used as far as enumerating cloud. CycloneDX has become the standard. Simply click either option to generate the report, and then it'll be available for download. It is as simple as that. The main thing we want you to take away from this video, besides how well our platform handles SBOM reporting, is that SBOMs are critical for improving your software security and managing your software risks, while also providing transparency to third parties